Hiya guys, we've just got the new Proline LED light bar to go on the Traxxas X-Maxx. Just going to fit this puppy now and see what she's like. Okay guys, it's all fully fitted. Just fit the Proline light kit. Obviously the dual LED kit as well, which I forgot to mention earlier. And as you can see, I've got a bit of tidying up to do. I'm going to run some sealant through it as well. Got a sticky pad there, I'm going to put a zip tie through it. Tidy up all the cables, got the receiver to put on. But we'll just give her a test. I haven't yet turned it on. There we are, you can see it's already working. And there we have it guys, the Proline dual LED light kit for the Traxxas X-Maxx. Like I said, got a bit of tidying up to do, but lights looking pretty bright from here. Peace out.